Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset Instagram Reels recommendation or suggestions. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, all we need to do now is just go to Instagram and then go to the profile. By going to the profile, we will be needing just to go to our settings so we can reset our content preferences. So from here, we will find these three horizontal lines. By clicking on it, we will be able to find or to search our content preferences. So basically, we will need just to search for the content preferences uh, thing or menu. And here, what you see section, we will find content preferences. And from here, you can see the reset suggested account. So from here, you can start having a fresh start that will you will start seeing suggestions about topics that may be different from what you see usually because you will have your suggestions or recommendations that will be resetted. Resets cannot be undone, but your suggestion will become more personalized again as you like. That means to change your it will be totally changed, and also the resetting won't change who you follow, etc, and this won't delete your data. So basically, now you will need just to click on next to have your preferences that will be reset. Another part that you can do, or a better uh, approach, is just to start adding modifying interested and not interested uh, icons or fields, so you can start to have more control on your suggested content. And basically, you can start just going to reels or posts and start just clicking on the 3 points icon and just add uh, them to interested or not interested, so you can control your feed. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.